Let's close this batch with a theory that connects everything we discussed so far: the narrative ownership conflict. This idea suggests that Yaman's career is no longer controlled by a single narrative. Instead, multiple groups, fans, critics, media, and even different national audiences are competing to define what his story means. In fan discussions, you can see this conflict clearly. Some narratives frame him as a success story of international expansion. Others frame him as a controversial figure navigating constant criticism. Others see him as an actor in transition, still searching for a stable identity. Each narrative selects different evidence, emphasizes different events, and leads to different conclusions. What makes this situation unique is that none of these narratives can fully dominate. They coexist, overlap, and sometimes contradict each other. For the audience, this creates confusion. For the actor, it creates unpredictability, because the meaning of each new project depends not only on its content, but on which narrative is currently dominant. If the success narrative is dominant, a new role reinforces growth. If the controversy narrative is dominant, the same role may be seen as damage control. This is the essence of narrative ownership conflict. The actor creates the work, but the audience defines its meaning. And that leads to the final question: can an actor reclaim control over their own story once multiple competing narratives have already taken hold? Because in Yaman's case, the answer may determine not just how he is perceived now, but how his entire career is remembered.